Hi friends and welcome back to Garfin's creation. Today we'll be making these strawberry trifle shots. This is a very easy recipe to glam up your dessert table with these strawberry shots. You'll find the entire recipe in the description box below. So let's get started. We'll start by making the custard first. I have taken half a liter milk that is boiled and it's now at room temperature. To this I'll be adding 6 tablespoons of grained sugar, and I have taken this strawberry custard powder which is easily available in the market. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this custard powder and will mix this well. If you do not have strawberry custard powder, you can use vanilla custard powder and add some strawberry essence to it. While this color looks still pale, I'll be adding a drop of pink food color to brighten it. Once this is mixed well, we'll keep it on the flame to cook. Since I have used a steel utensil, I'll be keeping the flame on medium. And we need to stir this continuously as the custard powder may settle down and get burned. So on medium flame, I'll keep stirring this continuously for about 10 minutes. Till then the custard starts boiling and it also gets thick. So when the custard starts boiling, just cook it for a minute and then switch off the flame. It starts thickening and we'll let this cool completely. Next we'll need some sponge cake. I had some leftover vanilla sponge cake which I'll be crumbling it into smaller pieces. If you do not want to bake the vanilla cake, you can easily purchase a vanilla cake available in the shop and then crumble it into smaller pieces. I'll also be soaking this layer of the cake crumb with some rose syrup. So I have taken half a cup of milk and be adding 1 tablespoon of this rose syrup into it. This is totally optional and you can skip it if you do not have it. So we'll keep this aside for some time. I've also sliced some strawberry for garnishing. And these are the dessert glasses in which we'll make the strawberry trifle today. If you do not have these dessert glasses, you can make them in smaller glasses as well. They look great in the small mini glasses as well. So now let's assemble the strawberry trifle. Depending on the size of the glass you have, just add a layer of the cake crumb that we have prepared. I'll be adding 3 teaspoons of this cake crumb layer first. Some bakeries also sell cake crumb. You can use that as well for this recipe. So all the glasses have been layered with the cake crumb. Next I'll be adding a little bit of the rose syrup that we had prepared. Instead of the rose syrup, you could also add strawberry crush to the milk and use it. Just a little is enough to moisten up the cake layer. Next I'll be adding a layer of the strawberry custard we just prepared. I'm just filling a piping bag with the custard so that it's easy to pour. Though this is not compulsory, you can just pour it directly into the glasses. You may also prepare the custard in advance and keep it in the fridge. You will notice that once the custard is cooled down, it starts to thicken up. So now I'll just cut the tip of the piping bag. Just cut a little part so that it's easy to pour. So our next layer would be of the strawberry custard. I will put the link for the vanilla sponge in the description box below. So if you want to prepare this vanilla sponge, you can use that recipe as well. If you do not want to use a piping bag to pour the custard, you can just pour it with the help of a spoon. So now once this is done, to give it a nice crunchy texture, I'll be adding some nuts to it. I have taken half a cup of chopped almonds and cashew nuts. Add any nuts of your choice. It just gives a nice crunch to the whole trifle. Next we will be repeating all the layers again. I'll be adding again a layer of the cake crumbs followed by the rose syrup. And then again with the strawberry custard and some nuts again. To make it more delicious, you could also add chopped strawberry pieces in between. These strawberry trifle shots are not only easy to make but are also very delicious. After these are done, you can keep them in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 days. So after I have finished off with the layers, I'll be just slicing up some strawberries and putting it on top of the glass. So the delicious strawberry trifle shots are ready. Let's check it out. Just dig in right below to get all the layers in one spoon. And you surely love the combination of the strawberry custard, the cake and the nuts all in one bite. Thanks for watching, and do try out this recipe and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation. Till we meet again, take care, bye bye.